Hi, I'm Dr. Nicole of Moonlight Beach Dental. Want to tell you what I love about this CAD/CAM milling machine. So I've had this technology for more than 15 years, and we just got the latest and greatest version. So now we can mill a new tooth portion replacement in just a couple of minutes. We have a variety of materials, all of which are biocompatible. We have ceramics, we have zirconia, and we have polyceramics, which are hybrids that we can make a perfect puzzle piece of tooth to go into your tooth instead of grinding your whole tooth down the way a lot of traditional offices do. I love this technology. It's fast, it's convenient. We have a lot of patients that drive really far, or a lot of patients that are being sedated and we want to get it all done in one visit. This machine allows us to do that. I can choose the material that's perfect for you, make the tooth, bond it in, and have you go on your way with a brand new piece of tooth as if nothing ever happened.